just a quick unboxing of the new mug that Colin does. And so let's have a gander. Well, it says thank you on the inside of it for shopping with us. Alright, and there we have the mug and its protective packaging, MGT. Just a fan of his videos, so I thought I'd help him out by buying some merch, as you can see. It's a mug, a small mug, not the usual size I have, but you help people out now and again, don't you? I'm no way connected with him at all. I'm just a customer that wants to help him out with making millions. But nice finish. It's looks quite well. And that's a quick look at his mug.